Welcome a new video from Tecnologías. In this video I am going to show you how you can free up your RAM a little and make your phone a little faster. What happens is that there are applications that are always running in the background and not to execute them. And we are going to go to the settings of your phone, and we go to enter in execution. Okay, if you don't know, to slide and develop options. Okay, pressing running service, and we can see the memory status and the application this execute. Okay, go back and enter apply apps. In apps, you have the option to, for example, Android Auto first app. This app is don't use, and you can go to back and we can see this RAM is more free. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.